Here we have a 67 plate BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the blue metallic exterior paintwork. We have the LED headlights, gloss black front grills and also the front splitter. We have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, which includes the side skirts along the bottom, which you can see as we walk around to the passenger side. We also have the 19-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers, colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Shark fin antennae up top. We also have the gloss black rear spoiler just here on the tailgate. We do have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside and an audible warning. Got the twin pipe exhaust and the rear diffuser at the back. There's a look at the rear end. Walking back round to the driver's side now, you can see that the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior now, so inside of the back you'll find the full black leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We have the electric windows on the doors along with the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Same leather interior at the front, both the front seats are heated. Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights, we have the automatic wipers. Dashboard just here in front of us, we've got the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, speed limiter, cruise control on the left hand side. Got the main screen in the centre full of features. If any of the lights or screens are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life. You would have seen all the features on the photos. Quickly going through them though, we do have the shortcuts down here. So we have the media options just here, the DAB, FM, AM stations, USB, Bluetooth audio and much more. We've got the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for making phone calls. Further down you find the climate control, heated seats on either side, ice cold air conditioning just there as well. Of course the automatic gearbox for the different drive modes. We have the cup holders inside of there, the manual handbrake, leather armrest in the centre as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.